February 1st, 2027. Mark that date because it's about to break a lot of creators' hearts. That's the day YouTube doubles its monetization bar. 8,000 watch hours instead of 4,000, and 20 million shorts views instead of 10 million. But here's the part nobody's talking about enough. The old, easier rules are still live right now. You have a real, currently open window to lock in those numbers before the door shuts. So here's your roadmap. Right now, to join the YouTube Partner Program, you need 1,000 subscribers plus one of two things: 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months, or 10 million shorts views in the last 90 days. From February 1st, 2027, both performance numbers double. Subscribers stay the same. 4,000 watch hours is roughly 240,000 minutes. If your average viewer sticks around 2 to 3 minutes, that's about 100,000 total views. The Shorts path needs 10 million views in 90 days, about 100 times more volume. On paper, Shorts looks brutal. But Shorts grows exponentially. Your first 50 clips might flop, then one goes off and pulls 2 to 3 million views on its own. Both paths work. Don't switch lanes this late. If you're long form, stay long form. If you're shorts, stay shorts. Path 1, 4,000 watch hours. Every upload matters right now. Don't guess, pick ideas with proof they work. That's the outlier method. An outlier is a video that massively beats a channel's normal average. Say a channel usually gets 1,000 views and one video hits 50,000. That's a signal the topic itself is working. Free browser tools can show you an outlier score next to any video, comparing it to that channel's average. But check channel size too. A big channel's outlier might just be its existing fan base showing up. A small, unknown channel outperforming its usual numbers is stronger proof. The topic is doing the work, not the creator's fame. How to do it? Find 10-15 small creators in your niche. Go through their videos, flag the ones with unusually high outlier scores, and save them to a private playlist. Study what made each one work. The hook, the title, the angle, then adapt that idea for your own channel. Trendjacking is the second move. Find something already trending. A popular creator, a viral product, a news story, a big event, and make content connecting it to your niche. For example, a channel about personal finance might break down a trending investing app the moment it starts blowing up online, riding the search traffic already flowing toward that topic. You're not creating attention from scratch. You're borrowing attention that already exists and giving people a reason to click into your world instead. Third, double down. Find your own best-performing videos and build on them. A part 2, a different angle, or a whole series around a theme that keeps showing up in your top content. Series content is powerful for watch hours because viewers naturally binge related videos back to back. Finally, optimize for length. Aim for 8-15 minutes and go longer if your content supports it. But add real value, not padding. Think about what genuinely deepens the topic. A tutorial channel, for instance, might extend a how-to video with a bonus section on common mistakes to avoid, rather than just stretching the same points out. Path 2. 10 million shorts views. Shorts growth is exponential. Plenty of channels sit at 5,000 to 10,000 views per short for months, until one clip goes viral and the whole channel crosses the line. Nothing goes viral randomly, though. The algorithm mainly tracks two things: viewed versus swiped away, and audience retention. Everything about a winning short comes down to grabbing attention fast and holding it. Study creators already nailing viral shorts in your niche and reverse engineer what's working. Pick your lane, commit, and use the time before February 2027 wisely, because after that, the bar doubles for good. See you in the next one.